I've been searching through the silence, trying to find my way. Running after empty promises that always fade away. Then I heard a voice of mercy calling through the night, leading every broken heart into His marvelous light. Every chain begins to break, every fear must lose its place. When we lift our eyes to Jesus, nothing stays the same. Come awaken every heart, let your fire fall again. Holy Spirit, breathe on us, let revival now begin. We surrender all we are, Jesus meet us in this hour. Our lives forever changed by you at this wildfire encounter. There is hope for every sinner, grace for every wandering soul. No one walks beyond your mercy, you still come to make us whole. Now a generation's rising, standing fearless in your name. Lighting up a world in darkness, never to be the same. Every chain begins to break, every fear must lose its place. When we lift our eyes to Jesus, nothing stays the same.